let's watch some crazy stuff, yo.
Before I was rapping, yeah, young nigga with trash. To post in the cut and I get out the pack. Her ass and titties and clapping, but this shit plastic. Boy, I'm so sick of this
Rick, oh my God.
I want some lamb, but fuck it, I can't go to platinum.
Hey, wait a minute, Rick. I thought this was a commercial. What's going on? I mean,
relax, Morty. Don't worry about it. Let's just see where this goes.
They say don't work millions. Why the fuck I be on camera walking through hell?
What's poppin', YouTube? It's STLmadeVonta, and as y'all can see, this ain't no clickbait. I really crashed my car.
Damn!
I really crashed my car. You know what I'm saying? It's 2021. It's been an eventful year, but this right here definitely take the cake. A lady hit me in a car. Make sure y'all stay and watch this video to the end. I'm gonna have a special something for y'all to see at the end of the video. So make sure y'all watch this towards the end, and I'm gonna show y'all something special. STLmadeVonta, we gone. All right, YouTube. So like I said, 2021, it's been an eventful year, but this right here, by far, has definitely taken the cake. If y'all been watching my channel, y'all see I've been pumping these videos out like crazy, getting all these videos out here. And right now, somebody crashed into STLmadeVonta car. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around in my car and tell y'all what happened. You know what I'm saying? So I was chilling downtown, about Midtown, you know what I'm saying, about to go grab some lunch or something. You know what I'm saying? I was sitting at a red light, and out of nowhere, this lady, she struck me at the red light going highway speed. And this is the end result of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy to be alive. Yeah, it's unfortunate my car messed up. You know what I'm saying? That was my transportation. I had this car for almost 4 years. You know what I'm saying? But everything happened for a reason. You know what I'm saying? This is my car now. But y'all, next video, I'm going to show y'all my new car. So stick around for the car reveal. All right, so this is the back end damage of the car right here. You know what I'm saying? It's all bad. When she hit me hard. She hit me so hard that I hit 3 other cars. I hit the car in front of me. The car in front of me hit the car in front of him. And the car in front of him hit the car in front of them. You know what I'm saying? Check this damage out right here. Dior is Toast. That's my car name. The name of the car is Dior. You know what I'm saying? It's Toast now. Toasty! Make sure I edit my license plate so you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but everything messed up. Front bumper falling off. Everything. Get this side shit. Get this side shit. Yeah. So make sure y'all like this video, go subscribe, make sure y'all share the video with y'all friends, and make sure y'all stick around for the car reveal. Thanks for watching my video. You know what I'm saying? It's unfortunate I crashed my car. STLmadeVonta, we gone. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all make sure y'all like this video. Y'all subscribe, share it with your friends, your partners, and y'all stick around for the car reveal. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I told y'all, if y'all watched the video this long, I had a special surprise for y'all towards the end. Yeah, my baby messed up, but it can still drive. Share this video. STLmadeVonta, we out. Yeah, check out one of these videos too here. You know, so check out one of these videos.